Alright guys, hello everybody, welcome to the Japanese Yen today. As you've seen, last week was eventful with the FOMC announcement, which did drive the dollar back down like a little bit of a cold shower to the bull. But if you look at the chart, basically that drop has a characteristic of a correction, not really a changing trend. What we can see is that the Japanese yen went back to retest the triangle and has not broken it down yet. There's been some uncertainty right now, but it doesn't mean that actually it's going to move down forward. So the thing to be looking at is the behavior of the currency at that level here and that 119.31 level, which is a very strong level of support. And if that support holds and the currency moves back up, then it would be actually a really nice build up to break that 122.85 level, which is a level that we will be looking at to go long. If you break that level, it would be basically saying that the trend is not over and is actually resuming. So be a bit more graphic. We had a trend at that level here that was broken right here, but has not have a lot of push on the downside. And if the market goes back up at that level, we would just be drawing a trend line here at a lower angle. And that would be actually not so bad because this would be the first point, this would be the second point, and this would be the third point. So the break of 122.85 at that level, if it happens, would actually bring a lot of buying interest. If you want to front that move, you could look at that level here, uh, knowing that you would have a lot of, you would have at least some resistance at the 122.85. So if you wanted to do that, you would want to be very careful in your trade. On the downside, not really any indication um, on the downside until the 116.27 level right here. Of course, the currency could break back down into the triangle, and you could be looking at short opportunities. But you would really be looking at a lot of support level, and it would pretty much be a counter trend um, trade, basically. The only thing on the downside that we can see is that there have been one high here, another high here, and obviously if we look at this, then the break of that level here will be the characteristic of a double top, but it's really too early to tell at this point. So for this week, looking at long opportunities on the Japanese yen and looking at the behavior of the price to go to 122.85 and potentially break that level. It may happen this week or may not. The Japanese yen usually has a long sideways range trading before it goes into a spike up or down. So happy trading this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.